So for a very long time in my life, I've realized that I'm doing just fine. Like if someone asks me how you're doing, I would probably say I'm just doing fine. Like I'm sure it's the same with you as well. If someone asks you how you're doing, you'll be like, yeah, I'm doing okay, I'm doing fine, right? Like there's nothing particularly dramatic about your life. Sirens. Or there's nothing particularly, like you're not in crisis, you're not like sad about something, or you're not particularly happy about something, you're just doing okay. Now I made myself believe that as well, that I'm doing okay, that I am living a life of rest, and I am living this slow life, and I am at peace with it. I'm giving my mind and body that rest that it needs to. Now, after a lot of self-reflection, I realized something very profound. First lesson in this video is that there is a huge difference between resting and drifting away from yourself. I'm going to repeat that. There is a huge difference between resting in your life versus drifting away from yourself. Now, when I say drifting away from yourself, what does that mean? It means you're becoming a version of yourself that you yourself don't recognize. Like if I were to compare my today's version with something that I was in the past, when I was all full of life versus now, huge impact, huge changes are there. Or if I were to compare myself to something that I want to be, there is a huge difference as well. So I feel I've drifted away from myself because I've let just life happen to me. Like I'm not choosing things in my life. I'm just taking everything as it goes. So if you also do a little bit of self-reflection, you will also realize that there are not a lot of big alarming things happening in your life. The differences are actually very subtle. Like for me, what happened was I realized emotionally I was very, very different. The way I was reacting to situations, way I was getting triggered by people and situation and places, way I was hating few people and situations, way I was just overthinking, basically the way I let my mind and my circumstances and the people around me make me behave. That was something that I didn't like at all, and which is why I felt like on a surface level I'm probably okay, but if I sat down and reflected on how my life is going, I probably was not okay, because I have drifted away from what I was or what I want to be. I don't even recognize myself. I'm sure if you take a moment to self-reflect, you will probably feel the same as well. Now, this is the moment wherein I ask myself a very important question. If I were to let my life go just like this, where would I be like at the end of it? Do I want to continue living my life like this, wherein not me, but people, situations, surrounding, everybody else is shaping me as a person? The answer was a no. And that's when I made a choice. The choice that I made was returning back to my spirituality. Now, if you know me, you know that I'm into spirituality. On this channel itself, I talk a lot about it. I talk about healing, I talk about manifestations, I talk about personal development in general. I basically lost touch to all of these because of lots of reasons. And now I have returned back to it. So I did not return back to it because I was feeling lost. As I said, I was not lost. I was just not sure who I am. I returned back to my spirituality because I wanted to get closer to myself. So the beauty in this is that we don't always lose ourselves in chaos. It's not necessary that there has to be some big event wherein you are like depressed, and it's not like a dramatic movie or something. You lose yourself the most in your own comfort zone. I'm going to repeat that line as well. I think I'm saying these lines which are so profound, that you tend to lose yourself the most in the moments of comfort. And that's what happens with majority of people. That's what has happened with me as well. So taking a step back to first of all be aware of what's happening in your life is the first step towards going towards yourself. I'm not talking about any goals that you want to achieve. I think goals can wait, all your manifestations can wait, everything can wait. What cannot wait is who you are becoming as an individual. That awareness is the point that cannot wait at all. So if you're watching this video, if you have stayed with me till now, I hope you take a moment to self-reflect on the person that you are today. Is your life under your control, or is everything around you shaping you into something that you probably don't even recognize, let alone recognizing you after 30 years? So take this as a reminder, and I'm going to wrap up this video with this thought. Until then, see you next time. Bye-bye.